Hello mama and welcome back. Some nursing mothers worry when they pump only a small amount of milk. The good news is that a few simple techniques can help improve milk flow when using a manual breast pump. Before you begin pumping, try warming your breast with a warm cloth for about 1 minute. Warmth helps stimulate circulation and encourages milk flow. After that, gently massage your breast using your fingers. Move your fingers in small circles around the breast for about 30 seconds. This step prepares your breast for pumping. Now place the breast pump flange over your nipple and make sure the nipple is centered in the flange. Start pumping using quick and gentle squeezes. These quick squeezes imitate the way a baby first suckles at the breast. This helps trigger the milk letdown reflex. After 1 or 2 minutes, you may notice milk beginning to flow. When this happens, change your pumping style. Instead of quick squeezes, begin using slower and deeper squeezes on the pump handle. Try to keep a steady rhythm that feels comfortable. You can also use breast compression while pumping. With your free hand, gently press your breast and hold for a few seconds. This helps push more milk toward the nipple. Another helpful tip is to stay relaxed during pumping.